Hey everyone, this is Dawn from Creative Appliques. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here and thank you for joining me today. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and click the bell to be notified when I upload new content. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing. I received this massive box from
Mighty Hoops and Hoop Masters. This box is full of hoops and a hooping station.
So, if that sounds intriguing to you, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're going to get into this box that Hoop Masters and Mighty Hoop sent to me, the magnetic frames. I have wanted these frames for I cannot tell you how long. I have been doing embroidery since 2007 and I have wanted these frames since then. So it has been a very, very long time that I have been hoping to get these frames, and so here they are. So I'm extremely excited to share them with you and show you what is inside this box. Okay, so this looks like it is the 6.25 by 8.25. These hoops are all going to fit onto my Ricoma, Ricoma MT1501. So these are absolutely amazing from everything I've seen, and I can't wait to experience these. So there's that one. This is equivalent to, let me think about this. This is going to be equivalent to the, this will fit a 5 by 7 design. So it's 6.25 by 8.25 is the size of the hoop, the outside diameter of the hoop, but for the inside area where it will stitch the design is a 5 by 7. So we have that. This one is the 8 by 9 Mighty Hoop. So this one will fit the 7.5 designs, or the designs that fit in the 8 by 8 hoop. Then we have some extra screws and things here, it looks like. This one is the, not marked. Oh, okay, sorry. 8 by 13 Mighty Hoop. So this one will be a fit designs 6 by 14. So the designs that, 6 by 10. The designs that fit in the 6 by 10 hoop is what will fit in the 8 by 13 Mighty Hoop. These hoops are specifically for multi-needle machines, and they also fit 2 single needle machines that have the tubular arm. So these are not for a flatbed single needle machine. They're only for machines that have the tubular arm. So that's the multi-needle machines, and then there's a brother machine and I think a Babylock machine. I'll put that in the notes. And then these are for the hooping stations. So this is, she sent me some instructions which I'm going to need because this is all very new to me. Oh, this is the adjustable sleeve fixture. So this is for sleeves, and then these are the arms, I imagine, that go onto the hooping board itself. Okay, so there's these, and then there's a big box here. So this must be the entire starter kit adjustable hooping fixture. So these are probably the legs that it goes onto. And then we have this board. And then this is the big hoop. Let me see what this is. This is the MightyHoop Station adjustable fixture. Okay, this is the adjustable fixture. And then this one was the MightyHoop adjustable freestyle fixture, I think. This is all new to me. Like I said, I have wanted this forever. I have not had this, so, oh, no, sorry, wrong. This is the adjustable fixture. Okay, so this right here is the freestyle MightyHoop adjustable fixture. And then this hoop here is the 5x5 MightyHoop. This will fit 4x4 designs, embroidery designs. So as I mentioned, the dimensions for the hoops are the larger outside part, not including the arms. The arms are specific to each machine that you get, but the outside measurements are the measurements of the hoop. So the 5x5 will fit the 4x4 design. And then this is the whole, there's a T-square here that will help you line things up. Instructions, which I get to play with and learn all about it. And then this is the station for hooping starting with the 5x5 square, and then this is probably for the larger hoops. So here's an overview of everything that was included in the box. This is the MightyHoop Station adjustable fixture with instructions. Then the 4 hoop sizes are the 6.25 by 8.25, which will fit 5x7 designs. This is the 8x9 MightyHoop, which will fit 8x8 or 7.5 designs. I'm talking in inches. This is the 8x13 hoop, which will fit 6x10 designs. And this is the 5.5 hoop that will fit 4x4 designs. This here is the MightyHoop Station adjustable, this is the freestyle fixture. And then this here is the MightyHoop Station adjustable fixture. And then the instructions. So, and the T-square right there. So I have a special code for you all. You will receive free shipping in the contiguous United States if you call them. And the phone number to call them is 262-257-0930. You must call them in order to receive the free shipping within the contiguous United States, and the code is Creative Appliques. So make sure to call them and you will get your free shipping. I have a lot to learn, a lot to figure out, but I will make more videos for you showing you how to use these and how amazing they are. So thank you so much for joining me today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider liking this video as well, and click the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Until I see you next time, guys, make your life creative.